This is a little black Bramble boy, and you can tell that he's got white coming in, so it's going to kind of give him a smoky look to him. Let's see if I can turn around and get his face. It's going to be really nice looking. A little bit nervous because he's usually not in this room. Let's see if I can get him to play a little bit. He is really nice. I'm going to love the texture of his coat. If you can see it up close, it's going to be real wiry with the black, with the gray coming in to give him a real smoked look. He's very, very nice looking.